Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're always rushing in the morning, struggling with bulky blenders that are hard to clean, or wanting fresh smoothies on the go without the mess, then get blended because today we're reviewing the Ninja Blast Portable Blender. This compact powerhouse features an 18-ounce vessel for single-serve drinks, powerful 6-blade assembly for crushing ice and fruits, USB-C rechargeable battery for up to 10 blends per charge, leak-proof zip lid for portability, dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleanup, and self-cleaning mode with just water and soap. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want a blender that's convenient for busy lifestyles, perfect for healthy shakes anywhere, and eliminates kitchen clutter, this is the one that'll blast your blending game to the next level. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break down the features on the Ninja Blast Portable Blender. This blender has a sleek portable design in black or other colors that's just 3.5 inches wide and 10 inches tall, fitting easily in cup holders or bags for gym, office, or travel use. The 18-ounce BPA-free vessel doubles as your blending jar and drinking cup with measurement markings for precise recipes. The stainless steel 6-blade assembly is positioned at the bottom for efficient blending of frozen fruits, veggies, and ice into smooth textures without chunks. It's powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery via USB-C, providing enough juice for 10-plus blends on a single 2-hour charge, with LED indicators to show battery level. The one-touch blast mode pulses for 30 seconds to handle tough ingredients, and there's a self-clean function. Add water and dish soap, blend and rinse. The zip lid is leak-proof with a carry loop, and all removable parts like the vessel, lid, and blade are top-rack dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. Safety includes a blade lock to prevent accidental starts, and it's free of harmful chemicals. Setup is simple. Charge it, add ingredients, attach the blade base, press the button, and enjoy. Priced around $50, it's affordable with a 1-year warranty. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are blendtastic, powerful blending that crushes ice and makes creamy smoothies in seconds. Portable and rechargeable for on-the-go nutrition without outlets. Easy one-touch operation with self-clean for minimal effort. Dishwasher-safe parts that save time on washing. Leak-proof design, perfect for commutes or workouts. And compact size that stores anywhere without taking counter space. Users rave about the convenience, smooth results, and how it's a game changer for healthy eating habits. On the con side, the 18-ounce capacity is small for family-sized blends, battery life drops with tougher ingredients needing multiple cycles, no variable speeds if you want more control, and the noise is noticeable though short-lived. A few mentioned the blade base can be tricky to align at first, but overall the pros dominate for personal use. My recommendation? Absolutely go for the Ninja Blast Portable Blender if you lead an active life and the pros like portability, easy cleanup, and quick blending make sense for you. It's perfect for fitness enthusiasts, office workers, or anyone wanting hassle-free smoothies without a full kitchen setup. Before we wrap, if these reviews blend your routine, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and scores you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend loving smoothies, or subscribe for more. See you next time.